What's up guys, One Low Magma here with Miami Auto Bros, coming at you with another video for your F-150. This time we're going to tackle a SpaceCab rear door with your extra cab or SpaceCab, as I'm going to be changing out the entire panel. But this is a video so you guys can get to your speaker on these back doors. There's not a lot of videos on this specific door. I am going to notice a couple of tricks to get this door panel off without having to take the entire seatbelt assembly off or anything like that. So let's get to it. So as you can see, the door panel is a little different than your four-door or like the front one. It has a handle assembly that's got to come out, and then it also has the seatbelt assembly that runs through the whole thing. But I came up with a way to take this out without having to take out the seatbelt or this trim panel at all, so you don't have to get the Torx bolt that it takes to get this out. So step one is take your seatbelt and run it all the way up to the top setting, so that way it's going to give you some clearance. Then this whole panel is just popped in with clips. So you're gonna take it and start prying it out until you hear all the pops. Once it's completely loose, take it and slide it upwards. That's it. Now you got access to the bolt that we needed down here. And from that point on, we're gonna take out the handle, which has 2 bolts. We're gonna take out this handle cover that has 2 bolts. You gotta take the switch off to get this panel off. And then you have the 2 final bolts down at the bottom. Once you have those bolts off, you basically just pull the whole panel off. Okay, I already got this little bolt out of the top. On this cover, basically like the front, you're gonna find a spot right here that has an opening for your pry bar. And you're just gonna put it in there and pry off the cover. And that's it. Now you got access to the 2 bolts that are back here. This cover here is hiding the other 2 bolts for the handle. That's it. Once you hear the click, it comes right out. Here's the 2 bolts for this handle. The handle does separate from this panel with a 10mm bolt. It's the only one that needs 2 10mm. Everything else is 7mm. And obviously you want your trim tool to make sure you're not scratching up all your plastics. Got all the other bolts out. Now to get this out, just use your pry tool and gently pry right across this front edge. You'll see how quickly it pops up. You don't want to pry against your plastic. You're working your way towards the inside of the switch. Pop. Now you can disconnect it. All right, now the whole panel is actually loose on here. Instead of taking the seatbelt out, we're just going to work it around the handle. Lift this up. Now she comes. There you have it. Installation is the reverse of disassembly. You go ahead and you can change out your speaker, do whatever you're doing in there. In this case, we transferred the panel to black. So now we got all black interior in our panels. Looking good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you comment in this video. If this video helped you out in getting your door panel off, please comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. One Low Magma, following me on Instagram.